Hey guys, it's me again. I haven't made a video in a long time. It's the March break, obviously, so I've been chilling a lot. I went to the States a bit. Pennsylvania, it's pretty boring. We did nothing. Just went to the mall, shopping, stuff like that. So, anyways, I have some new news. I have a new monitor, but it's free. It's huge. I'll show you. It's an old IBM CRT monitor. IBM C92. I'm running at 1600 by 1200 resolution right now. That's very large. So that's good enough for me. So I've been looking at tech news lately, and I've been reading about the new RV740 chipsets from ATI, AMD, whatever. And they're going to be the successors to the RV730, which powers the 7600 series, or the 4670 and 4650. And the RV740 is the successor to that. And it's a 40 nm process, much smaller, and it's going to be under $100. It's really cheap, and there's actually benchmarks of it. Guru 3D. Hold on. Yes, I'll show you right here. Exact card I'm looking at from VR Zone. It's been tested, and it's a GDDR5 for under $100. And if it looks like that with a copper heatsink, it'll be amazing. But it does require one 6-pin connector. But it is 40 nanometer, so it will use much less power. This will be the first 40 nanometer GPU for desktops. So there's going to be a 1 gigabyte DDR3 version and a 512 megabyte GDDR5 version. I will be looking at the 512 megabyte GDDR5 version. They're thinking it will be called the HD4770 and the GDDR3 version 4750. There is, I had it right here, this is it, Guru 3D, and they have some benchmarks here. I'll go back to it. It's around here, hold on. So it's a very nice looking card. It's going to be very nice. The benchmarks are really good. It's almost the same performance as the HD4850, not a 30, 50. Let's look at it. This is Left 4 Dead, running 100% max with 8 times MSAA. So this is a 4670, the yellow. I mean, like the peach. GeForce 9600, HD4830, RV740, and the HD4050. As you can see, it's almost at the 4050 level. And those resolutions are right there. 1280 by 800, 1680 by 1050, 1920 by 1200, and 2560 by 1600. That's really good for a car that's under $100, guys. And I won't even need a new power supply for this, unless I put another one in. Which I'll do later, eventually. This is a very nice looking card. All games have the same going up like this. So every single game that they tested, it does better than the 4830, which is amazing. And it will be cheaper, which is amazing. And it's going to be smaller, so it's going to be better for overclocking, less heat. And if it comes with that cooler, I will be amazed. Far Cry 2, 1024 by 768, 1280 by 1024, 1600 by 1200, and 1020 by 1200. very impressive results. So that's what I'm looking at to buy. So I won't have to get a new power supply if I get this card, which would be amazing. And with this monitor, I can run some games at a lower resolution. So if I had a new monitor like a LCD and I ran in on a lower resolution, it would be all weird and wouldn't look right. So with this CRT, I could play with the resolutions. So that would be really good. That's about it. I'm going to try to upload a video of what I did in the March rake. I have some videos that I filmed in Pennsylvania if you want to listen. They're kind of boring. I'll try to attach them as a video response or something. That's it. So that's what I'm looking at. And the new monitor is a IBM C92, and I got it from one of my you say my godmother? Yeah. Alright. That's it, guys. See you later.